Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing today I'm gonna be unboxing the Flying Battery Zone play set. Time to open this bad boy, and yeah, I ordered it on, I'm just gonna order it. It arrived, the package arrived, so okay. This opens at the side. This opens at the side. Quick. Oh yeah, it's here. There you go. Yeah, and then okay, now there's a lot to begin with. So let's start it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Flying Battery Zone playset. So now let's connect it, I guess. There's no other thing to do but just connect it. So this goes here like this. Just like a pang, pang, pang. It's already in. It's already in. I guess, sorry guys that you can see it. But I hope you can see it now. Wait, let me just copy the box, what it looks like. So let's put the cloud first. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we put this here, I'm assuming, and this here. I mean, if I'm correct, guys. Wait, it's backwards. Backwards. My apologies, but okay. Okay. Let me check if I'm not. Let me check if I'm correct now. Okay. That gave me a heart attack. But anyways, now let's put this thing here at the back where it goes down. Let's just check that out later. Okay, now it's correct. Now we put this fireball right here. Which is just, there we go. That's that easy. Now we put this thing together. Just have to stab it here. Just have to stab it here. Keep that boy there. Anyway, since we're done doing that, I guess we just do the accessories. First, we do the spike. And then the other spike here. Yeah. Wait, let me just try to wait. How do you usually connect this? Wait a minute. Symbol. Now it's looking fantastic over here. You can see it. There you go. Time to just put on the rings and time for the other rings. I mean, if you see the rings up there. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, Sonic can hold them. Sonic that comes with the set, yeah, he can hold them. Anyways, there we go, just connect that there. Now we have, now I'm assuming is this all the playsets? Is it correct? Yeah. Yep, it's correct. Anyways, let's review this bad boy. So, this can spin. Obvious. This can also spin, like you saw me later. There, and you know this scene can move because of how. There we go. Wait, it's not So there we go. What the frick? Come on. There we go. Now it's working now. Is that it? Okay, there. Yeah, you can do this. Bunch of. And this little critter, this bad guy, I don't know what is this. I think it's a mouse or something. I don't know what is it. But well, anyways, it comes with the Sonic figure, and looks like it's brand new because let me get my older version. Oh yeah, it's already here. I already bring it to the table. This is the older version, and this is the new version. Do you see anything different? Come on, guys, it's really obvious. Of course. Wait, let me just. So the mouth is different. This one's way better. This I don't know why is this posed like this. This one's like more better. I mean, you can just dangle the arms and just switch. But you know I'm not gonna do that. Now for the back. What the frick? This one's more big and this one's more little. So do you see the spikes? It's like this. This one's up. This is the new version. This one's like, you guys know the difference. And this guy has a more longer tail. And this guy that comes with the playset has a short tail. Let's see how the playset goes, I guess. It can spin, so. Bro, the stick. By the way, I really hate this on my Sonic figure. I know you can not see it, but there's like red smudge there if you can see it. You can't really see it properly, but you see that smudge. It's red, and I tried to scrape it off, but I don't want to ruin my figure. So let's do this. So I'm guessing where the Sonic goes first. Sonic goes here. Okay, and then now he's like, whoa, watch out, the fire. And then I'm assuming there's this like platform, so it jumps over here. And then he jumps over here. And then he said the ring, so yeah, doom. And then just drop that. And then he jumps and then he lands here. By the way, at the picture of the box, he can you can like put him here. So I'll show you I promise that he can do it. Just have to keep on doing it, and there we go. Looks like the paint is scraping off of this chain. That's my favorite, and that sucks. Sucks to be you. Let me just pose him real quick. I know it's taking a very long time, but you got it. Okay. By the way, how is Sonic supposed to like go down if this is spinning? How is like how in the possible of like how like it's impossible. So I think it's like a slow-mo, like it goes slow and then oh no, he comes out at the right timing before he almost got like integrated. Here the click, and then it's this is spinning. Now he jumps off of that. Wait, let me just okay, let me just pose him real quick, just a bunch of that, and now he jumps off here. I guess he swings here, so he's not gonna touch the spike. And then he looks up, and then this okay, and then this slowly goes up, back. This thing is still spinning. But anyways, how? Well, anyways, he goes here. I mean, I have accessories, but I'm not gonna use it. So he jumps here, like, I don't know, like, he jumps over. Okay, let's just pretend that he jumps all over this entire thing, and then he completed the level. And God dang it fell. But the rings. So I collected 3 rings. So that's nice. So I got them. Don't tell me I lost it. Oh no. Don't tell me I lost it. Don't tell me I lost it. Well, anyways, about that, I'm just gonna go get it back. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and yeah, see you at the next video. Bye.